The story of Harry the Pirate.
It was a sunny spring morning, and Valerie the stork was on her way to make a very special delivery.
What was it?
And as she flew over exactly the right spot, she carefully dropped the egg. Here it goes. And it dropped down and down and down. And as the egg was falling, Splash and Boots were busy painting their new house.
Hey, I know those two.
And then they heard the sound of an egg falling from the sky.
What does that sound like?
So Boots ran outside, looked up in the air, and with great hand-eye coordination caught the egg.
Hey, good catch.
Thank you. Now Boots took the egg inside, where her and Splash worked hard at keeping it warm to help it hatch.
Oh, poor little thing, it's probably cold.
It's true. But that egg did not hatch.
Oh.
So Splash and Boots tried singing to the egg. I like movie stars. I like fancy cars. I like eggs and toast. But I love you the most. Time passed.
For every season, turn.
But still, that egg did not hatch.
No, still nervous, I think.
So Splash and Boots waited
I like waiting.
and waited,
You're good waiters.
and they waited some more.
Wow.
And then finally, one day, that big red egg started to move.
It did?
Yep. And then that big red egg started to crack.
Oh, look at it crack.
And then out of the crack in the big red egg came a yellow beak. And then the biggest surprise of all came.
What
The
is
top
it?
of the big red egg came off,
Yeah.
and out popped a very cute baby parrot.
Hey, it's me. You parrot indeed.
Splash and Boots named the parrot Harry.
Yeah, that's my name.
They taught Harry how to play catch.
Yeah, we were good. I remember that name.
They taught him how to drive.
Oh, yeah. Still got that beginner's though. Wow.
They went on trips
Oh,
to Paris
no cheese.
and the Taj Mahal.
No time.
Harry went to school
Yeah, sure did. Love the school.
and he learned how to read. And then Harry went to university and graduated at the top of his class.
Hey, look at me.
But it was when Splash and Boots took Harry to his first rock and roll concert that Harry figured out what he really wanted to do. He learned how to wiggle those parrot knees, and he soon became the one, the only rock and roll king.
The end.